Hi peoples, welcome back to my bathroom. So I'm going to be doing chili challenge number 3, which is the Scotch bonnet. Now this one I'm not looking forward to, because these are meant to be mega hot. But I'm going to open it up and see if I can't really smell nothing. Maybe that's not a good idea to smell it, but anyway, show you the label. Don't know if you can see that, because I've got a film in here because it's the brightest light, just in case you're wondering why I'm always in the bog. That is it. Right, I've got quite a big one here, I think. Chili, that is. I'm just gonna do this. I feel really bad at it, but just in case I fail this one, by the way, I've got a pint of milk. But I'm hopefully not going to wimp out. I'm going to really go for this side and try it, so I ain't looking forward to this one. But hey, it's part of the chili challenge, so I reckon in about 2 minutes time I'll probably be in a lot of pain. Here we go. Chili challenge, the Scotch bonnet, Chili Dave style. This one tastes vile, man. Already getting it. It's already building up. Always end up with a seed in my lip as well. Fucking hell, this one's quite hard to swallow. Hot. Half of it's down. Try and do the other half. Come on, fight it, fight it. Whew, I've done it. Done it. Whew. Whew, right. Wait a minute. That one tastes disgusting. That's the worst one out of the lot. Yeah, I can feel it. Just going to have a quick read of the label. A fiery chili widely used in Caribbean cooking. Oh yeah. Oh, I've done the Scotch bonnet one alright. You see my eyes? Yeah, I might have to wimp out in a minute. Just give it a minute or two. These challenges are getting harder. I can't wait to try the Dorset Naga. I'm not going to try the Dorset Naga, I've seen that one. Oh, I'm going to puke after that. Foul. Ugh. That's disgusting, man. I need a water. Oh God. Why do I put myself through these things? I feel well sick now. I'm gonna go and puke my guts up, I think. Bye. Whew.